Hey, in today's video we are going to explore bundles, understand what it is and how you can have a benefit of using it. First of all, let's understand what means bundles. Bundles are products that allow you to sell multiple video courses or products into one single package. You can include all your learning material in one bundle. Learning material can be video course or a product. And even if you are constantly adding a new courses or products, you can easily add them to a bundle, and you can even use drip feature and your bundle buyers will get the new material automatically. So let's create a bundle together. For that, you should go to marketing section, choose bundles. From here, you can create a new bundle. Here you have 3 steps. In the first step, you are writing your bundle's main information such as title. Here you can see your friendly URL. From here you can change it. For example, note that after creating your bundle, you cannot change your URL. So please choose a variant that will be final. Here you are adding an image. Here you can put your bundle description, add a price. If you like to use sales, you can use old price field. In the second step, you are selecting the existing courses. Here you can use a course that has drip feature. So after a certain time, your course will be available for your bundle buyers. If you have done choosing your courses and product, you can go to the next step. The third step is about settings and choosing the status of your bundle. Here we have 4 statuses. The first one is draft, which means students cannot purchase or enroll in this bundle, but it will be available in your dashboard. The next is published. Your students can purchase, enroll in, and access the content of this bundle. Unlisted, which means only those students to whom you will send the link will have access to the bundle. Unlisted bundles won't appear in your bundles tab. And the last one is private. Only those students to whom you will give access will see the bundle. And here you can see SEO settings such as SEO title, which is your bundle page title displayed on search engine result pages as well as on the website. SEO description is the short description of your bundle page that is displayed on search engine result pages and provide a general view of the page content. Bundle keywords, these are words, phrases, and expressions that your searchers type on the search engines to find the required information, product, or a service. And from here you can delete your bundle. So that is, I can set it as published and publish the bundle. My bundle has been successfully published. Let's see what do we have here. Here you can change your bundle's order. You can see the author of your bundle, price, the status, creation date. Here in actions bar you have edit icon. You can copy URL from here. You can delete this bundle and you can see enrolling students. When you finish creating your bundle, you can make this page available for your website users. For that, we should go to Site Builder, Menu Builder, and from here activate the bundle page. Here you can see I can activate this by simply doing this. Your website users will see bundles page like this. This is the bundle that I have created. Here students sees the title, description, the price, included courses, products, buy now button, again included products and courses. And from here they can click and buy the bundle. When they successfully buy your bundle, they will get to this page, and from here they can start their learning. And this course will be available for them. When you will have a new buyer for your bundle, you will get a notification from here. You can open it and see that someone has just bought your bundle. Here you can see your bundles, enrolling students details such as email, type, creation date. And for example, you want to give someone this bundle for free, you should create a new user from here, enter their emails, for example. Or if you have a group and want to give a group access, you can select your group from here and you can save it. And your student will get this notification that he or she already has access to this bundle. And if you have a new course or product that you want to add to this bundle, you can simply edit it. Go to the second step. Add this course by activating this. Go to next and publish it, and your bundle buyers will automatically get a new course in their bundle.